All right, welcome everyone to today's episode of Tech Factor. And in this lecture, we're looking into Bootstrap color and the background. And in this lecture, all we want to do is to simplify the difficult part of using Bootstrap color and background. And how can we do that? So I already have a file prepared here. So that's what we'll be using for this lecture. Okay, so this is the file I already prepared down here. And I already have my Bootstrap link available that I'm going to add to this page. So let's dive into that. So now we're just going to add a file, a tag element to this page. You can call it, you can write anything inside. You can say this is a welcome. It's a welcome page. I call it, this is a welcome page. So now let's add our Bootstrap link to this page. I already have this Bootstrap link available, so I will just paste it in this folder to make the class very, very fast. So now I've already done this now. And if you don't know how I am able to get this link, I already have a video where I explain everything, where I did everything from scratch. So you can look into it, Introduction to Bootstrap. You can look into it. So that is where you will know how I was able to get this link available. So now, and in this lecture now, I need more of this tag. I need more of this. I can just, instead of doing that, I can just say H2. I can have the same text. I can have the same text inside everything because of time. I can say, I just put something at the back to differentiate them. And again, I can have H3. I can say this one is number 3. And again, I can have H4. I paste it again. I can say this one is number 4. Why this one is number 1. So let's hold it here. So now what we want to do now is we want to give all these tag colors. And we're going to be using Bootstrap color method. Okay, so now let's say and to do that, to add a color to Bootstrap, first of all, call class. And inside the class, that's where you're going to declare your color. And when you are adding a color to text in Bootstrap, you don't say color and you're giving it any color, white or black or anything. No, Bootstrap don't take this. This is not how Bootstrap works. This method is used in CSS and Bootstrap don't use that. So to do that, when you call your class, just write text and declare the type of color you want. Let's say, for instance, this one we are giving it a primary color. I'm giving it a primary color, and the next one and the next one and every other one. Next one. Sorry, I just want to select everything together. So I say class, no, I say test. Now, good. So here, I already have a primary there. I can have this one as secondary. I can have this one as warning. I can have this one as anything, muted. So if we go back to our browser now, we're going to see a different and unique color to our text. So you can see now they are very different. But you can see that this secondary and this muted, they are a little bit similar, but they are different. Okay. So now we're done with color, and we still have more color type we can use. We have danger, we have light, we have white, anything, a lot of them. So now let's give them different color, background color now. And to do a background color, how will you do that? Call BG. This text color is already primary, so we need another color that is going to match with this primary. Let's say we are giving it a background color of secondary. So you can have a background color of secondary here. Okay, good. So let's move on to the other one, having a BG of, let's say we are having BG of primary, and this one also we're having a BG of anything. Let's say we're having a BG of danger. These are the parts we didn't use initially. So let's say we're having this one a BG of anything. Let's say we're having a BG of primary also. Let's use primary for this. So if we go back to our browser, and we can see now our text has a background color, and at the same time has a text color. So this is how you use a bootstrap color and background in your file. So thank you once again for your time. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And again, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel so that we'll be able to add more content to this page. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.